When I flush the toilet, where does it go?
When you flush the toilet, water and waste flow through pipes in your house. These pipes are connected to a bigger bunch of pipes that belong to the city called a sewer system. The water in the city's sewer system travels to a wastewater treatment plant. At the treatment plant, your toilet flush is filtered and cleaned to remove any harmful germs and material before being sent back out to the nearest body of water, where it will enter the natural water cycle again. Taking care of waste helps to protect people, plants, and animals. From flush to finish, wastewater engineers are working hard to keep our water safe and clean.